Let's make strawberry jam. I'm using frozen strawberries, a little water, salt, cider vinegar, raw sugar, and no-calorie sugar like erythritol. Mix them all together and cook to simmer under low heat some 15 minutes to evaporate some of the liquid, to soften and break up the strawberries a bit. After a while, I tasted if it's good enough for me. After switching off the heat, I added potato starch dissolved in water to thicken it a bit. I normally use chia seeds for being on low-carb diet, but am out of chia seeds, so I use the thickener I have available. This way, you have more control over your ingredients, including the amount of sugar you put in. For me, this homemade jam tastes better than store-bought jam. A lot less sugar and costs cheaper. In this channel, we share life ideas to enrich, enlighten, encourage, renew, and even entertain from life experiences, learnings, and discoveries. Why not journey with us and subscribe?